Hi, I'm Joaquin, Commercial Product Manager with AC Pro. If you want to win more bids, consider the Allied Z-Series commercial package units, a direct replacement for many of the major manufacturers. The main challenge when replacing existing commercial package units is matching the existing footprint and hopefully not having to purchase an adapter curb. To avoid these issues, Allied Commercial Z-Series package units fit the same footprint as many other major manufacturers. Not only does it fit the footprint, all of the connections are on the same side, including your gas, your high and low electrical, and your drain lines. This reduces your cost for labor and helps you offer a competitive bid. The Z-Series units vary from 3 to 12.5 ton on gas electrics and straight cooling, and 3 to 10 ton on heat pumps. And if you need it now, local branches are well stocked, and so is a local distribution center. Check out our inventory online at acpro.com.